Wait, what happened?
Follows is a brief construction montage.
The E36 for parts, and now D&M is gonna blow the airbag. Got Calvin over here.
Staying safe.
Staying safe. I'm staying safe. Let's see how it comes out. You gonna sit in there or what?
Boom. Alright, what up?
It's good, Pete.
We're doing a test. We're gonna sit in the passenger seat.
Sit in the passenger seat and we're gonna see.
Going up okay? Obviously, you guys are trying to raise up to new heights.
Yo, we need a test dummy though.
I ain't got no dummy here.
Let's see what the big deal with the Takashi airbag is all about.
All right.
What?
Oh, her got camera too. Where's the bag? You got on. You got to blow up.
Yo, imagine you crash and then
I'll take my chances with the dashboard. They blew up an airbag. Yo, this is a lot of shit.
Yo.
Pull this guy out.
This is hot too.
Hit you in the face?
Imagine that hit you in the face.
A couple little things.
Wow.
I pretty much got the motor out. That's what the main thing was.
20 minutes later.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Herbie with halfamillautos. We back. Right now, today, I'm gonna be working on a G35. I'm gonna bondo the hood, pull out the little dents and the hood damage right here. If you can see, I already was banging on it a little bit to get it more straight. I'm gonna grind it down and probably try to pull it out a little more in this creased area right here. But that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Fixing the hood. So right now I'm gonna take the grinder and grind off all the excess paint and see the damage. I'm gonna hit it with some wax and grease remover, some degreaser. So now I'm gonna mix the bondo. So I put the bondo. So I hit it with a light dust of primer, the lighter primer, so I can see basically where I have to bondo again and where I have to fill it out a little more, just to see the imperfections that I can't see. So I just dusted some primer over it, some light primer, so I can see like over there and right there, just so I can see the imperfections that I couldn't see with the bondo. Also right here where these things were, I just wanted to see the light, see the line and see how the bondo looks. Also over here also, just real fast, just to see the imperfections where I have to sand, and just to get it straight. This is just like a little trick to see the imperfections from the side and stuff like that. Then I'm gonna have to sand it.
12 o'clock midnight.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Herbie with Half a Million Autos. Right now we're gonna take the G35 to my boy's shop and get the quarter panels welded on. It's real dark. I'm in the light right now just so you guys can see me, but see you guys at the shop. So that's all for today. I'm just gonna do that little bit of stuff on the G35 today. Catch you guys another day. I have a few other things to do. So thank you. Thanks for liking and subscribing. I appreciate you guys. Let's continue to grow and let's continue to build. Peace.